Hello everyone, today you have joined the DT Creative Elk YouTube channel. How to adjust and change the dates and time in Windows 11. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Maybe it's wrong. The date and time because you've changed location or it's just been set wrong to go and change it. What you need to do is go and right click on it in the bottom right of your computer. So we just literally on it and then click on adjust date and time. You'll go and get this pop up. What you can do is change the time zone, and if you want to adjust for daylight saving time, now what you could do is switch on save the time automatically if it isn't already, or you can switch it off and we can then go and set it manually by clicking change. You'll go and get this pop up, and what you can then do is go and set the date and time you want it to be. So I can set it to be the 20th of September. Then all you need to do is go and click on change and it will go and be updated. You can see it in the bottom right there. I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.